Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be going through the installation steps. So we will be covering the installation of Helm, Minikube, Docker, and Kubernetes. Uh, just to note that I won't be covering the installation for the Java, Eclipse, and IDE stuff because I believe that is one of the very basic things, or like I expect the audience to be quite familiar with those things. Then only it will make sense uh, of this content. So let's get started for the Helm install. So we head over to the Helm introduction and install page. This is the official page, and we come here to. Since I'm using Linux, I'll be using this to install it. For other like Windows and all, you can download also, or using this one, using any of the binary releases, or you can use. Um, some package managers like this, chocolatey or something. So I'm going to use this. So what I'm going to do is I'll just use this one. So for me it says like Helm is already installed, so in your case it will just download and install the Helm, just a one liner script. Up next we will be dealing with installation of the minikube. So for minikube I'm again using a Linux and Debian, so I'll be using this script to download. If you are on Windows, you can either download or use the Choco package manager here. For download, you have to go to this link and it will download the exe file. I'm not going to download. So if I just paste the script, it should download and install the minikube for me. So after this, I can try minikube status. I should be able to see these things. And as you might see in the future videos, how to start and stop minikube. So like minikube space start and minikube space stop. Now up next we will be dealing with installing Kubernetes. So again I'll be dealing with the Linux installation, but you can try the Windows one here itself in their official website. So what I'm going to do is just follow the scripts provided over here. So this is going to download the latest version of the Kubernetes. Once this is done, I'm going to change the permission of this thing to make it executable. Then I'll just move it to the bin folder so that it is accessible directly, and then as a test I'll just run this script. So as you can see, I can see the versions, minor version, etc. And up next is the Docker installation. For Docker, again the same, we'll head over to the Docker official repo, and we have to follow the steps. So first you have to update this thing. Then this script is basically um, uh, installing the apt transport https. These things are prerequisites for that. Then adding the gpg key, which is the signed key in the apt repository. And then in the third step, uh, you add the script which will actually get the based on the release of your operating system. It will fix the proper installer, and then after that you need to install these things, these two scripts to install Docker CLI. So I'm not going to do this thing because Docker is already configured. Like if I just do Docker PS, I can see all the containers and all. So these are the four steps you can follow, like step 1, 2, 3, and then these two scripts. I highly recommend you follow this from the Docker official website. Okay, that's about it in this video. See you guys in the upcoming hands-on videos. Bye bye.